So we just picked up our hives today over in Oakdale, Minnesota, and we decided we're gonna paint them. So we thought we'd pick out some kind of fun colors to paint. So what we ended up deciding with is some funky blue. Um, Nothing fancy, or just some spray paint. I'm in the middle of painting it right now. Yeah, hope to get the kids involved and put some fun designs on them. So in painting these, I decided to do a couple different colors for my brood box, just so I can kind of keep track of what went where. I know some guys number them, or ladies for that matter, number them. But in this case, I'm just coloring them a couple different colors. So this is the color I'm going to do on the next set. I know it's kind of hard to see, but we got a blue and kind of like a teal. So and to do that, I'm just using some Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch Ultra Cover Painter and Primer. Just happened to get it at the Ace here in town. So and these boxes we got from Nature's Bees in Oakdale. Actually a really nice design. I like them a lot. The handles or the whole thing seems to be built really nice, but what I've been doing is just kind of hitting the handles first, then hitting the edges where the staples are here, and then kind of framing it out. Just traditional painting tactics, just moving the spray and not concentrating it too much in one spot so that it doesn't drip. But no, I kind of really like the colors of them. I was a little timid at first, but we'll see how this turns out. Our bees come in about, I think it's 2 weeks now, so we're hoping to have the boxes all, well, they're gonna have to be ready by then. So yeah. Well, we're done painting the hive. Kids had some fun painting on the side here. Same with Mom. Originally we started off with already white painted boxes. We wanted to use that more or less like a primer. And like I said before, what we used for paint was just a spray on indoor-outdoor paint for plastic furniture and such. Which should hold up pretty good out here. And we had a little bit of fun, I guess, up here at the supers, but time will tell on whether or not we need to paint these every year, every other year or so. But we've got a couple more that we're going to bring out here and put on the stands here. We're going to build another stand over here, and then this will just be for kind of our household use. But we thought it'd be a fun project, get the kids involved, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.